If you use Google Document for college assignments, work purposes, or even personal use, then I think you must have come across a situation where you needed to make someone else the editor or owner of your Google Doc to make it easy for them to edit or make changes to the document. And even if you haven't come to this situation yet, then I think you should know how to do that, because Google makes you the sole owner and editor of the document whenever you create or upload it on your drive. Now, if you're a bit confused with all the terms that I'm using here, the owner, the editor, then let me just make it clear for you. The editor of a Google document is someone who can edit and view the list of viewers and editors. They can only remove access for other editors when the owner allows them to do so. While the owner of a Google document is someone who can edit, share, and even delete the document, they have all the rights to even remove access for other people. And they can invite other people to edit and even view the document. Now, the third role is the viewer of a Google document, who can only view the document and cannot make changes. And lastly, the commenter of a Google document can only comment on the document. They cannot edit or maybe share it with somebody else. Now, if you have made your mind to maybe transfer the ownership of your Google document to someone else, then just note here that once you do that, you won't be able to transfer the ownership back to yourself, and the owner will have the ability to even remove your access to the document. Now let's begin with the steps. You can't change the owner of Google Docs on your Android or iPhone, so you will have to open it on your laptop or PC. You can also go to Google Drive and tap the dot menu right next to your profile at the top, and then go to Google Docs from there. Now, once your Google Docs are open, go to that specific document that you wish to change the ownership of. But before you change the ownership of a document, you first need to share it with that person. Click the blue colored share button at the top right side of the screen and type the name or email ID of the person you want to share it to. Then click share, but if you have already shared the document, then you can skip this step. Now, to change the ownership of this document, go back to the share option at the top and click the down arrow available right next to the name of the person. You will now see 5 options: viewer, commenter, editor, make owner, and remove. Click make owner, tap yes, and then done. Now that person will become the owner of the document, and you will no longer have the option to change the ownership. If you find this useful, then do hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Also, do drop a comment and ask your questions related to Google Docs. I will surely take that up in my next video. Thanks very much for watching. I will see you very soon.